Good morning. It's Monday, February 26, 2024. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Radar checks clear at 7:48 this morning as we take a look at the infrared satellite imagery. Not a lot going on. A little cloud stream there kind of shooting through the northwest corner of the state out around Aragon, Rome, and then heading down into South Metro Atlanta. We have a little bit more cloud cover than depicted here, but this is infrared satellite, so it's looking for differences in temperature between the ground and up in the atmosphere. And with it being as cold as it is, a little hard to see those clouds, but they are out there. But otherwise, mostly clear skies over a good part of the state. Temperatures are on the chilly side this morning. Not necessarily cold, but we'll call it chilly. Showing some mid-30s, upper 30s, even a few 40-degree readings as we get started this morning. Big change in our temperatures as we head into the day today, overnight tonight. Not going to be as cold tomorrow morning. We warm up rapidly before another cold front cools us off just a little bit more. So we'll talk about that. Let's take a look at the modeling as we move through the day today. Going to be a pretty quiet day across the state. Maybe a little bit of a breeze, especially in northwest Georgia, metro Atlanta as we get started. That breeze will pick up a little bit in the southeast corner of the state later this afternoon. So this is late morning hours. Here's noon. Everything quiet. Head toward 3, 4 o'clock this afternoon. Again, that breeze picks up just a bit, 10, 15 mile an hour. Not a big deal. Heading into the evening hours, also going to be mainly clear. And we'll have enough heat of the day today that will help keep us fairly mild overnight tonight. So we head through the overnight hours. Here's 3, 4 o'clock. Still a little breezy across the state. And starting out tomorrow morning, a little bit more cloud cover in North Georgia. Showers begin to move in the northwest corner of the state. This is well ahead of the cold front boundary, but it is going to bring some showers as we go through the mid-morning hours tomorrow. Northwest Georgia, Marietta, Atlanta, and then continuing to push through North Metro Atlanta up Georgia 400, heading toward northeast Georgia by about 10, 11 o'clock in the morning. We may see the showers get as far into Macon. The modeling seems to cut everything off here. But again, this is part of a frontal boundary. The center of the low that's associated with this is way up toward the north. It's bringing a lot of snow up in the Colorado, and it's heading toward the Midwest by this time tomorrow. So that's why just not a whole lot of energy this far south from the low that it's connected to. But either way, just know we could see some showers in Macon and even down into Dublin and parts of southeast Georgia as we move into the afternoon hours tomorrow. Rain chance just not all that great, so we'll keep it off the board for now. But still, North Georgia seeing those spotty showers through the day. We move that line out by 3 o'clock. Wind really starts to pick up tomorrow afternoon in the northern part of the state. Still a little breezy in southeast Georgia as well. Tomorrow evening, looking pretty good and quiet. Now, we are going to start to see the air from the other side of that front start to move in as we move into late tomorrow night and into early Wednesday morning. So some cooler temperatures are on the way. And then after the front passes through, we go to an unsettled pattern for a couple of days. And that's just going to bring some scattered showers as we move into Friday, Saturday, and into the weekend. So enjoy today. Tomorrow, a little iffy, especially in North Georgia and parts of Middle Georgia. But today's going to be great, and then we see that rain back in by the end of the week. That's the latest in the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from Northwest Georgia to Southeast Georgia.